You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to listen to Kindle books on your Android device. Let's get right into it. There are two main ways to do this. The first is using Kindle's built-in text-to-speech feature, also known as Assistive Reader. This function lets your device read the book aloud using a synthetic voice. It's available on many Kindle books, but not all. Only titles that have text-to-speech enabled. In my experience, the voice quality isn't great compared to a real narrator, but it can still be useful if you just want to listen while doing something else. For this feature to work, the book must meet a few conditions. It needs to be purchased from the Kindle store, borrowed from Kindle Unlimited or Prime Reading, or shared with you through the family library. Also, the book has to be in a language that's supported by your device's text-to-speech engine. If all those requirements are met, you can turn on Assistive Reader and start listening. Another often better option is to use the Audible app. Audible is also owned by Amazon and gives you access to a massive library of audiobooks, all professionally narrated. So if you're more into listening than reading and want a better audio experience, Audible is worth checking out. Many Kindle books even come with an option to upgrade to the audiobook version through Audible. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you get more out of your Kindle books, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you later.